All right, I'm doing a video. Who's ready to go hiking?
Me!
You are? Yeah? Who's ready to go hiking? All right. Hey, you ready to go hiking, birthday boy? Yeah? You all packed up and ready to go? All right.
That's it. You need to have your light.
Where's your red light at, babe? It's in there? You sure? Okay. All right, we just got to the trailhead. Everyone ready to go?
Yes! I'm hungry.
Is this live? All right, so we're beginning. Here we go.
It's a great thing I have this hiking stick. And steep hills. Chris, how are you doing?
We're pretty good.
Actually go.
Come on, Grandpa, Grandma.
Waiting for them.
Come
Grandma!
on. Come on. You're wasting your time.
We're not wasting time. We got all day.
We're enjoying ourselves. But we're waiting for Grandma and Grandpa. The Junie Wank
This is
Falls
YouTube channel.
Trail. Yummy.
This is another YouTube. Back it off.
All right, here come the grandparents. Up the mountain.
Gotta wait on Pokey.
And no running down these steps.
You want to walk where you going? All right. You never go down there.
Hey, wait for a grown-up. Wait for a grown-up.
Waterfall!
Watch your step. Watch your step. Wait right there. Wait.
Come on!
Watch your step, okay? Wait right there. Hey. Come here. It's mixed berry.
Mama, I want my trail mix.
Not right now.
But it's not for vegans that things. Visiting hens. I got donut lips. I got donut lips now.
Awesome.
Well, is this?
Oh, it broke on your pound.
I'm gonna give you a tree in a minute.
Come on, Grassy.
Oh. So much for that stick. It's too rotted out.
Yeah, we're very high up.
See a lot of horse.
Yep.
Hey,
Just watch out for horse poopy.
if there is any horse poopy.
It probably will be.
I don't see anything. I don't see leaves. And they kind of look like puppies, but they're not.
Careful. Gets steep over here. Narrow.
Way behind. Stop.
All right. We're going to be going downhill now.
Keep sucking on it, you ain't gonna have nothing.
Going downhill next.
You
Hey.
put that water bottle up.
Who's ready to go downhill?
Everybody.
Look at the view over there. Between the trees. Pretty.
You wanna go climb them mountains?
We're on one of them mountains. Ooh, I hear a little bit of a waterfall too.
Yeah, because we're coming up on one. According to the map, I believe.
You having a good hike?
Yeah, kind of tiring too. And I wonder when it's gonna be lunchtime.
Okay, soon.
I want to say we're like right there-ish. Maybe a little bit further, I don't know.
Okay. All the pretty rhododendrons. Yeah? All right, hold on. Ooh, pretty. This will be a good place to have lunch.
Yeah, let's go. Lunch break! Lunch break! It's lunchtime!
About 7 miles uphill.
Tell me my salad.
So Lindsay was saying we're going to do the other loop, though. What other loop are you talking about, man?
No, we're not.
What loop are you talking about, babe? The other loop right here.
We all just,
Man, you got backpacks this alike.
because it just happened.
Your mama bought them all at the same time?
No. So we just had a wonderful lunch, and now we're gonna go ahead and finish our trail.
Stick.
You glad you finally got to eat lunch?
Yes. Let's go.
All right. Come here.
We have boots. Woo.
Be careful.
Hey, if we do fall down, guess what? Got a little bit of that.
Yeah, you can either take the bridge route or the water route.
Hey, guess what?
No.
Lindsay was going a little too strong for the water.
Yeah.
Rick's kind of going, that's a good one.
Hey, I don't care.
Huh? Okay.
Wait, baby girl.
Indian Creek Trail is there.
Did we go to see Indian Creek Falls? Let's go see Indian Creek Falls.
We'll see.
And there's a waterfall coming up.
Ooh.
Look, Mommy!
Marley, no ma'am. Down,
I'm trying to see.
down.
I can't see.
You can see right through here. Down.
I'm going. Look!
Got that tree down there. It's hollowed out coming out of our wall. Look at that balloon, babe.
Let's go!
Hold on, we gotta figure out where we're going from here.
Looks like cars coming out.
Hello everybody. Today we are making another YouTube video.
What, baby? What? What am I looking at?
Okay.
Oh.
Okay, let's go. 1, 2,
Look at the big hole.
1, 2, 3.
Buenas.
They don't make videos of me.
All right. Have you been enjoying the hike so far? Yeah? Has this awesome stick you found been working out for you? Are you tired or something?
Yeah.
Well, you've been doing a great job. Look at the beautiful water. Yeah? Oh.
Too late to do that. You couldn't start that thing early anymore.
All right, we are all done with our hike. I had a great time. What did you guys do? Did you have a good time?
It was tiring.
It was tiring? What are your
Yes.
thoughts, Celeste?
Mm-hmm.
What, you liked it?
I thought it was pretty cool.
You were doing good. Vincent, how do you feel?
I feel like it was very awesome experience
Yeah?
because you got to like see different rivers.
You have a good birthday hike?
Yep. See different waterfalls.
Christopher,
Hi.
how did you like it?
It was very nice. Or should I say, very nice.
Oh.
That was bad, I know.
Well, I think everyone's really tired. I think everyone had a nice time. We saw some beautiful waterfalls.
Can't wait to go in the
Keep those on.